Okay, so I'm going to be entering another sell. Let's see how this plays out. At the end of this trade, I'm going to be explaining why I entered the trade and my thought process behind everything. Even if the trade is a win, lose, or break even. I'm going to be entering my stop loss and take profit from my phone because it's a lot easier and quicker to have it done from my phone. So my bias is bearish right now because there was a clean break of structure of a previous support level turned to resistance and a pullback to that level. That's why I entered the sell. So I'm just going to allow the trade to play out to see what happens. Okay, so I'm seeing a little rejection, which is a good look. So let's see how far it can go. The bearish momentum so far does look decent. Okay, so it's almost halfway to my take profit. I'm wondering if I should close one of the trades, let the other one run out. The momentum does look really strong, so I think I'm going to be holding both of them. That candle rejection does seem away. I'm stuck between closing the trade or breaking even. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. I'm going to be watching to see how it plays out. Honestly, I probably should have followed my heart, close one of the trades, and let the other one run out that break even. And now we're back where it all started. Honestly, I didn't risk a lot. Um, Nobody wants to lose a trade, but I'm done in this position already. Might as well just let it play out and see what happens next. It is getting closer. Alright, the momentum seems to be building to push it towards my stop loss. Right now, I'm thinking this might be a loss, but I'm going to let it play out. I'm not going to move my targets. I'm not going to move my stop loss. Close the trades early. I'm just going to see how it plays out. Looking at it now, the market did create a double bottom if you're looking keenly, and that could be a sign of a reversal. The market is also ranging, but because it's gold and it's just 1 minute charts, you can find entries when the market is ranging for gold, to be honest. But the market seems to still be in a downtrend. It still hasn't broken past that support turn to resistance level, and it might create a double top here to push further down. So I'm going to be holding it to see what happens. It is building a bit of bullish momentum. It's getting closer to the take profit, to the stop loss. Sorry, it might stop me out, but as I said, I wasn't risking a lot. probably close to 20 pips. I don't think it's 20 pips as it, but I'm just gonna watch it to see what's gonna happen. Alright, that candle close has given me a bit of hope. So to be honest, this time I'm just going to be seeing where the trade goes. If it gets back down to that level where it was rejected earlier, I'm going to be breaking even this time. Then I'll just let the trade play out. Alright, so I'm breaking even, and now I'm just gonna let the trade run for real this time. Alright, so it's so close to my take profit, and I'm indecisive whether I should just close the trade or be confident enough to let it hit my take profit. I mean, I already broke even, so I'm just gonna let it run, to be honest. Okay, so I finally hit take profit. In total, I made like $600. Look at the rejection as soon as it took me out of the trade. Market was currently here when I started to look at the trade, right? One of the first things you want to do before placing a trade is identifying the trend of the market. In this case, my bias was bearish, and I'm going to explain why. So the market created a double top in this area, one top, two top. You can also call this a false breakout. So because the market broke through the area, broke back into the area and started to trend down. Now, I realized the market started to create lower lows and lower highs. You can see here the market created a support level, broke through, turned it into resistance, created another support level, broke through, turned it into resistance. And you can see the clear downtrend starting there, right? Now, what I did was went down to the 1 minute chart, and I basically was looking for the same confluence for the market to continue bearish. The market was consolidating for a while right here, but you can see where the market started to trend for a bit, coming down this area, right? So the market created this support level, broke through, and now what I'm looking for is for the market to come back into this area, tapping back into this area. Then I could start looking for sales again, just probably like 30 pips or so. So I waited for the market to break back into this area. That's where I entered, right? Place my stops above this area right here. I'm gonna take profit somewhere in that area, right? And I just let the trade play out. So that was basically my thought process throughout entering this trade or placing this trade. If this added any value to your trading journey, feel free to subscribe because I'll be posting more videos like this. You can also leave a like and a comment.